G'day, ladies and gents. If you've tried to reset your brake warning, you get the little notification saying the brake pads are due, and assuming you've taken the wheel off, checked it, the brake pads are good, or you changed them, and don't forget on the passenger side, which is that side in Australia, there's a sensor, brake wear sensor. There's not one on the driver's side, but there is on the passenger side, and you've changed that out, and you still can't reset the warning. Then I'll show you how to actually reset it. You don't need any special tools. This is how you get rid of your brake reminder. There's one method, right, where you turn the accessories on, hold the button down, scroll through to reset brakes, and you try, and it says reset not possible. So this is what you do. This is a BMW X5 F15, but if you've got this dash and this iDrive setup, then it should work for you. It doesn't matter if it's a different model. It should still work. So long as you've got this button in the corner. If you've got the newer style where there's no button and the full digital dash, then you need to do the other video, which I'll post up. Okay, so foot on the brake, push the button, push the start, and as it starts, it's gonna carry on about my seatbelt. But anyway, hold the button down and keep holding it for, I think it's about 10 seconds or something, but you'll see the dash change if you look down where the kilometers are. Yeah. Okay, and what you want to do, so once that menu pops up, you can let go. Now we're going to single press until we get down to system test, and then now I'm going to hold down the button on system test, and then let go, and it'll say start system test. Press it one more time. It's going to go through. It's checking basically everything. It's checking all the lighting on your dash, your globes, everything. And in that process, it's actually checking the brake sensor, wire, which you would have replaced. Normally you only get that brake warning if the little sensor, which is that's on the front passenger side. So in this car, it's on this side in Australia on the left side. If you replace that brake sensor wire and the pads while you're at it, obviously, because if the sensor's worn, that means that the pads are low. And then you do this will get rid of the thing, because before I had a error notification, one error. Now I have no errors, and if I go into the actual sub menu you go to vehicle status, you'll see before I had the red cross on the front brakes, but now it's okay. So now another check is not due for a fair while. That's how you sort it. Thanks for watching.